Hi all, welcome to our channel. If you're running an e-commerce store in Dubai, optimizing your Shopify store with the right features is crucial for success. Today we'll explore the top 5 essential Shopify features tailored for Dubai-based businesses and discuss the benefits of each. Let's dive in. First one, I'm talking about an Arabic language support. Catering to the Arabic speaking customers enhances user experience and broadens your market reach. Implementing RTL or right to left layout and accurate translations ensures your store resonates with local shoppers. The main benefits of implementing an Arabic language support on your website are improving the customer experience. Providing contents in Arabic makes navigation intuitive for the native Arabic speakers, increasing the likelihood of purchases. Then enhanced online visibility is another important benefit. Translating your website can improve search engine rankings in Arabic speaking regions, leading to increased web traffic. And the last point is increased trust and credibility. Offering content in the customer's native language, which is Arabic, builds trust and establishes credibility with Arabic speaking audiences. Now I'll show you an app that can help you translate your Shopify store into Arabic, which is a free app from Shopify that is called Translate and Adapt. You can come into the Shopify app store and click on Translate and Adapt. So this is the Shopify Translate and Adapt app, which is built by Shopify and it is a free app. We have already created a video on how you can add Arabic translation in your Shopify store using the Shopify Translate and Adapt app. I'll add a link in the description box below linking to that particular video. The next feature that you should include in your Shopify store is automating the marketing tools. Boosting sales requires effective marketing, right? Marketing automation tools enable personalized email campaigns, SMS notifications, and customer segmentation. The benefits of adding the marketing automation tools are personalized campaigns, tailoring messages to customers' preferences increases their engagement. Then automated workflows, streamlining marketing tasks save time and ensure consistent communication. And data-driven insights. Analyzing customer behavior helps refine strategies for better results. Now let us see some of the apps or tools that is come default with Shopify that can help you to automate your marketing. First one is the Shopify emails. So if you go to the apps, you can see an app called Shopify email. So this is the app called Shopify email. This is helping you for the marketing purposes. So you can install this app. This is also from Shopify and you can create email marketing campaigns for different types of customers. Another feature that you can use is a customer segmentation that's also coming by default from Shopify. So here you can see this option called segments. So in this segments, you can create different customer segments. If you click on create segment, you can create different types of customer segment based on their purchase behaviors and about how much they have ordered, etc. The other feature is local payment gateways. Next, integrating the local payment gateways is vital, offering payment options familiar to the UAE customers, such as supporting AED transactions and local banks build trust and simplifies the purchasing process. Another feature that you should take care is efficient shipping solutions. Efficient shipping is a key to the customer satisfaction. Utilizing shipping solutions that partner with local couriers ensures timely deliveries and real-time tracking. Some of the benefits are timely deliveries. Collaborating with local couriers ensures products reach customers promptly. Real-time tracking, providing customers with tracking information enhances the transparency and trust that they have. The next feature is providing customer reviews and social proof on your website. Building trust is essential. Incorporating the customer reviews and social proof features allows shoppers to see authentic feedback. So by adding this social proof and customer reviews increases the credibility of your customers, then it increases the conversion rate and it also enhances SEO. So there are a lot of apps apps in the Shopify App Store that you can install that will help you to add the reviews as well as the social proof. These are few of the apps: Judge Me, Looks, all these are apps that you can install on your Shopify store for showing the reviews and social proof. Integrating these features can significantly enhance your Shopify store's performance in Dubai's competitive e-commerce landscape. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights, and let us know in comments which features you are excited to implement. Thanks for watching.